Welcome to this module, guys. And before we go deeper into this course, let's spend some time focusing on optimizing your learning journey as you progress throughout this course. By following our recommended approach, you'll be able to get the most out of your time and effort, ensuring that you become an email writing expert by the time this course is done. So let's dive into some key tips and strategies to help you maximize your learning experience and gradually build your expertise in using ChatGPT for email writing. But if you're someone who already has the knowledge of ChatGPT, already knows how to access it, already knows the fundamentals of ChatGPT, and you want to dive straight into the email writing aspect of things, feel free to skip the first two sections where we go over the fundamentals of Chat and go straight into the part of the course that teaches you how to become an email superhero using ChatGPT. The second tip I'd have for you guys is to engage with the course materials. Throughout this course, we'll provide you with various resources, such as interactive exercises and videos, to make sure that you're able to engage and get the most out of your learning experience. So make sure you engage with these materials fully, as they will enhance your understanding and they will help you apply what you've learned in real world scenarios. The next tip is to reflect on your learning process. Take some time after each module to reflect on what you've learned. Collaboration and communication are always vital for an enriching learning experience. So, in the Q&A section, feel free to connect with your fellow learners, share your insights, and ask questions to deepen your understanding of the course content. And also, don't hesitate to reach out to me at any time for guidance or clarification wherever needed. Finally, guys, apply what you've learned because the key to mastering any new skill is putting it into practice. As you progress throughout the course, try using ChatGPT to write emails in your personal and your professional life. This real world application will help you become more proficient and will help you become more comfortable with your new email writing abilities. So, overall, by following these tips and strategies, you will be well on your way to maximizing your learning journey and world of ChatGPT and unlock its full potential for email writing. I'll see you in the next